I'm going to show you how to register a domain name so you can have your voice on the internet and make tons of money in the process. The first thing we need to do is go to beastwebsites.com, www.beastwebsites.com. When we go there, we first click on first step, register a domain name. Click here. From here, you go to the search box and you type in your domain name. So here's the search box in the center of the screen. What's our domain name? I'm going to register beastwebsites.net to protect my brand. You can register extensions to protect your brand and then redirect your extensions to your homepage, which is beastwebsites.com. So I'm going to do a search. Beastwebsites.net is here. We click Add to Cart. Please note that every domain name includes privacy protection forever. Domain name privacy protection prevents people from doing a Whois lookup. Whois is a public directory that holds all the records and permanent information for all registered domains. Through this record, people can access your name, contact info, address, etc. that you used when you registered your domain name. It's important to note that a lot of web hosting companies charge extra for this service. So right here it says domains include privacy protection forever. So that's going to protect your addresses, your email address, and your name from other people knowing where you are and what you're doing. So we go to Add to Cart. Next we go to the top right corner and we go to Continue to Cart. Here we have the option to get domain name protection. I recommend Ultimate Domain Protection since it protects you from hackers and from losing your domain. See here, if you get Ultimate Domain Protection, you have an extra 90 days after your domain expires. This is good because sometimes you're too busy and you can't get to re-register your domain name in time, and then it can be literally put up for grabs and taken by someone else right from underneath you. So it's nice to have an extra 90 days to decide what you want to do with your domain name. So then we go to Continue to Cart. Next we pick a term that we want to register for. In this drop down menu we have 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10 years. I recommend going for a 10-year term so you can go all in. You see, if you go all in, you're burning your bridges behind you. This was recommended in Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. When you burn your bridges behind you, you go all in. So you figure if you're paying for it yearly, you might as well build your website and build your dream. So go 10 years, go all in. What do you have to lose? Then click I'm ready to pay. Here you create an account, email, username, password, and then shortly after you do that, you don't have to verify your account in your email. You can go on to pay for your domain name. So good luck to you guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.